So hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to explain you that is UPSC mains Maithili paper 2 syllabus 2025. What are the topics on which the questions will be asked? Answer must be written in Maithili language only. The paper will require first hand reading of the prescribed text and will test the critical ability of the candidates. Part A, Vidyapeeth Geet Sahit Publisher, Sahitya Academy, New Delhi, lyrics from 1 to 50. Govindas Bhajanwali Publisher, Maithili Academy, Patna, lyrics 1 to 25. Krishna Janm Manbodh, Mithila Bhasha Ramayana, Chandagja only Sundarkand, Rameshwar Charit Mithila Ramayana, Laldas only Balkand, Kichak Vad Tantra Natja, Datta Vati Surendra Jha Suman only first and second cantos, Chitrayatri. In part B, you need to study is Varna Ratnakar, Jyotirishwar only second Kalol, Katar Kakak Tarang Harimohan Jha, Lorik Vijaya Manipadama, Prithvi Putra Lalit, Babhiyat Chahak Jinagi, Sudhanshu Shekhar Chaudhary, Kirti Raj Kamalak, publisher Maithili Academy, Patna, first 10 stories only, and Katha Sangra, publisher Maithili Academy, Patna. These are the topics that you need to study for Maithili paper 2. UPSC means Maithili paper 2 syllabus 2025. If this video is helpful, please give a like and also share my video with your friends. So okay friends, I'll see you in my next video. Then take care. Have a nice day. Bye my dear friends.